Hey everybody, this is Jay from CaribbeanPools.us in Fort Lauderdale. We're at phase 4 of our in-ground pool, vinyl pool restoration process. Basically what we did here is we took this pool out of the dark ages, out of the 70s, and right into 2018. It's beautiful now, it looks modern, gorgeous. The customer chose a paint rock pattern. She went with a gray theme with a malt pattern coating on it, and it came together extremely nice, as you can see. What we also did is, if you look over here, take a walk with me. What we did is we basically installed a RGB LED light. It's got tons of colors. It's on a program. It's on a remote control. You can change it. It'll switch in and out of patterns. You know, it'll blink. It'll go from blue to green to yellow. Roy G. Biv, all the colors. We put a transformer on the other side. What we also did over here, people, is you can see how beautiful the coping came out. If you look at it, you can see all the cuts, how the grout is perfect. It frames it like a Mona Lisa. It really came out nice. And this is very nice brickwork. We did it ourselves, as always, like we do everything. We also installed a brand new 1.5 horsepower pump here because I had a 1 horsepower pump, and a pool this big basically is a racehorse. And the pump that I had on it was a 1 horsepower pump, and it's got donkey lungs. So we put racehorse lungs with that 1.5 horsepower pump. We also put a beautiful Weather King heater, okay? It's digital. It'll keep anywhere between 70 degrees and 98 degrees, however hot you want it. 80 degrees, 78 is a good temperature. So we put the whole thing together. Everything works with an automatic chlorinating system. And if you guys look over here, you can see how beautiful and perfect the liner is. It's basically flawless. It's a perfect install, perfect fit. It was done by Terra Manufacturing, and we measured and installed it. This is Jay from CaribbeanPools.us. You guys keep swimming.